Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and many people are looking for a higher quality 613 frontal and hair. And today's video, let me show you our 613 hair bundle and frontals. And this is a version 613 hair that we are using, and this is a version 613 here, frontal with HD lace. The the lace, it's very melted, and also the hair quality, you can see the color is very much pure. And this hair has amazing quality when you try to color it to different color, like if you want it green, pink, or any other color. You try to color yourself, dye yourself, you will find the color goes very much beautifully, very pure, unlike those mixed synthetic hair. Those color isn't going well, but this hair is amazing when you try to color it. And also when you wear it, you will find this hair is very much silky smooth, have a very good quality, very silky, and isn't any issue for tangling or whatever. No touch type of issue. And this is 22 inches bundle and frontal of 13 by 4 lace frontal. So if you have a higher demand for the high quality 613 frontal or bundle or hair, you can contact us or just place your order on www.joicehair.com or contact us on our website or WhatsApp. Thank you for watching today's video. Any other hair or hair products, you can also feel free to contact us. Thank you. Have a great day.